Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by proving ownership, so gather the Google or manufacturer account email and password now. Once done, plug the phone in and connect to Wi-Fi. The device needs power and network for recovery. Make sure you can access the account on another device, phone, or laptop, because you'll use it to authenticate. Don't attempt shortcuts. Legitimate recovery preserves data when possible. Next, check whether the phone is linked to a Samsung, Google, or carrier account before proceeding. Sign into the linked account, Google's Find My Device or Samsung Find My Mobile, on another device and select the target phone. Once signed in, choose the remote unlock or lock and erase options as appropriate. These services verify identity, so they may require two-step verification. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts carefully, because remote erase will remove data. If remote unlock isn't available, the account options will at least let you locate or secure the device while you prepare the final recovery steps. If account recovery is impossible, a factory reset is the last legitimate option. Understand this erases data. You can perform a reset via the device's recovery mode, but first double-check you tried all account-based unlocks. Once reset completes, sign in with the same Google or manufacturer account to satisfy activation locks. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer or your carrier with proof of ownership. They can verify and provide authorized service. Key tip: keep receipts and account info handy to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.